But welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the job opportunities for freshers, as well as would update you about the walk-in drives that are happening. So the first walk-in drive update is the current thing that is happening. It is happening today as well as it is happening tomorrow. It is for freshers, and the location is Chennai. It will be work from office, and they are looking for software engineer trainees. So 2025 passed out candidates can apply for this particular opportunity. And this is the link. I'll be putting this link in the description as well as in the comment section of the video. And qualifications, you need to have basic knowledge of Java, Python, JavaScript, strong problem solving and logical thinking abilities. And this is the registration link. Okay, this is the email address. Then there is a requirement for QA engineer Flutter testing. And they are looking for someone who is having 1 to 3 years of experience in Flutter mobile app testing. And the responsibilities would be to design, write, and execute test cases for Flutter apps, perform manual and automated testing, functional regression, performance, usability, identify, record, and track bugs using tools like Jira, collaborate with Flutter developers to debug and resolve issues, and 1 to 3 years of experience is required. Hands-on knowledge of SDLC and defect lifecycle is required. And nice to have is you have experience with load or performance testing tools, and you can send your resume to this particular email. Yes. Then there is a requirement for automation tester, playwright, or ETL testing. Work mode would be hybrid, 4 days a week. Experience range 5 plus, 8 plus, or 10 plus years. Location would be Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai. Budget would be 13 to 14 lakhs. Number of positions would be 5. So there's a requirement for automation testers with strong hands-on expertise in playwright, automation, and ETL testing. And you can share your resume to this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for manual QA, 0 to 2 years of experience for Pune-based location. And the certification required is CCNA certification is mandatory. Domain knowledge is networking, communication, excellent verbal and written communication skills. Location is Pune. And how to apply? So you can send your resumes to this particular email address with the following details: full name, current organization, current and preferred location, current and expected CTC, notice period, last working day. Then there is a requirement for interns and freshers at hardcore tech company. So they are looking for candidates who can work for internship roles such as digital media marketing, quality assurance, front-end development, backend development, Flutter development, fresher opportunity. So interested candidates can apply by sending their CV to this particular email address. Then EPAP company is looking for manual testers for their Pune location. And these are the skill sets. Those are required. Experience required is 4 to 9 years. Location is Pune. And you can share your CV to this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for business analyst, quality analyst, 3 to 5 years. Location is Indore. And the mode would be on-site mode. And you can join immediately or by 15 days. So you can send your CV at this particular email address. Then there's a requirement at one of the company in Noida, and they are looking for testers, someone who can do manual database and API testing, someone who can fire SQL queries for backend validation. 2 to 5 years of experience is required, and it is important that you need to have banking or capital market domain exposure is required, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.